Hello, I have another how-to video. This time, the behavioral strategy that I will be introducing you to is called positive reinforcement. The way that this strategy works is that you're introducing any stimulus that increases the likelihood of a preferred behavior occurring again. So, in the home setting, let's say you want little Johnny to come to the table to start his work. For the first time that you see Johnny come to the table to begin his work, you can give him access to a preferred item. Give him a sticker, a pat on the back, maybe even a cookie or a grape. Find out whatever is motivating to your learner. From that time forward, anytime you see Johnny go to that table, with or without your prompting, I would start by giving him access to those things that he likes. More cookies, maybe earn a minute of extra TV time. Once you've gotten yourself and the learner on that strategy, then you can begin to space it out a little bit more to where you're only rewarding Johnny when he goes to the table by himself. And then eventually when Johnny stays at the table for an extended period of time to get his work done. At the end of the day, you just want to give your learner lots of praise for doing those things that you want them to do. And altogether, it will make your in-home learning experience that much better. Thank you.